Hi, lovely people. How are you? I got my May 2018 Boxycharm. I'm so excited. And I'm just looking like I have a monitor right here. I love to wear black shirts. I don't know why. I just like the color black and it makes you look thinner. And how do I always get like powder all over my shirt? Because when I'm getting ready, I'm always in like just a letter. I don't know, not my shirt that I'm going to wear. So I don't know. But anyway, I'm babbling. So let's get to this May 2018 Boxycharm. I am so excited. It just came in the mail. So let me open it up. There we go. So let's see what I got. So the theme for this month is a Boxy Bash. And if you don't know, this is a $21 a month subscription. I will leave the link down below if you want to check it out for yourself. And this looks a little different. So on the back tells you what everything is and the prices, which I really like that they give the prices. So the first thing I knew we were going to get with this because there was a spoiler. This is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. And I've never tried this before. So I am so excited because I do have bigger pores around here. So I'm excited. Let's see what it says how much this is. This would be, where are you? $38. Wow. That's pretty good. Okay, the next thing I knew we were getting this as well, another spoiler, which I love, Pretty Vulgar. I love their packaging. This is the gel liner in the color black. And I mean, this is just gorgeous, guys. All of their packaging reminds me of like the 20s and 30s, or probably, I don't know if it's even before then. It reminds you of like the little ink thing, you know? So let's see. Holy crap, that thing's like packed up to here. This is a lot of, has like a little, I don't know, like a weird smell to it. But I'm excited to try that. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see down there, but that is a lot of gel liner in there. I mean, I think I would just keep this for the packaging once, if I use it all. So let's just see how much this is. This would be $24. Okay. Now we got a little brush, which I love, 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 love getting brushes in my subscriptions. Okay. So, what in the world? Look at that. There's like a, I don't know if you guys can see. There's like a white hair. Okay. Anyway, the one thing with Boxycharm, the brushes always come like bent. And I always have a problem, even when I wash them and I try to like sculpt them back, I never can get them. But let's just see what this is. This is from the brand Aesthetica. This is a P12. Usually the P means a powder brush. So let's see how much this is. This would be $27. Holy crap. And I don't know if I would use this for a powder brush, only because for me, this is just not dense enough. It's too soft. I mean, maybe to take like powder off right here, but not, I don't know. I like them more dense, and that just could be a personal preference. But this is nice, I think, if you want to use blush or anything like that. I'll find somehow to use this. So this is nice. But $27, that's like expensive. And I never heard of this brand. But, okay, moving on. So we have another brush set. This looks like a spoolie, a little eyeliner, and is it a brow brush? Let's see what this is. 3-piece eye trio. $45? You gotta be kidding me. For these small brushes? And it's the same, is it the same brand, the Aesthetica? All right, let's try to open this puppy up. Why can't I get this open? Let's see. Come on. See, I don't edit my videos, so the struggle is real. Come on. Okay. Okay. Don't do that at home, guys. All right. So we have these 3 brushes. So this is like a little spoolie, which I love getting spoolies. And one thing about spoolies, you can always bend them any way that you want. I like them bent like this. And then it's easier for me. I don't know because I'm left-handed or what have you. But yeah, if you didn't know, you can always bend them for an angle if you don't want it straight. So then we have this thin one here. This is like a nice eyeliner brush. So let's see how that works in here. I'm really excited. Okay, so let's see. Oh, that's nice. That is really black. And you can get a thin line or you can get a thick line. I'm really excited to try this. That is really nice and really black. So we'll see. We'll wait a few minutes and see how it dries. Okay, and then we have this one. And I guess they're saying that this could be an eyeliner brush as well. But to me, it's a little bit too thick. Just for my preference. So I will probably use this as an eyebrow brush when I use my pomades. But I'll try it and see and let you guys know. Yeah, it's a little thick because I have hooded eyes, and that's why I am saying that. But I don't know. 3 brushes, do you think this is worth $45? I don't know. I mean, the handle and everything is really nice, but I don't know. Okay, so last but not least, this is Beauty Creations. This is a matte lip gloss. Now, matte lip gloss. Is that weird to you or is that just me? Matte lip gloss. Lip glosses aren't matte, are they? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. The packaging's really pretty. Okay, let's just see. Oh, this is in the color Kiss Me. Oh, this is a pretty color. This is something similar to what I have on. So, let's see. It smells pretty good. I don't know what that smell is. This is a spoolie, like a little Bentet spoolie. Well, this is pretty. So this is like a matte. We'll let it dry down and see. Okay, this would be $10. So this is nice. Do I have anything? You know what? Let's just try her on. Let me get something and take this off. And I'm gonna try the lipstick on and just see. Let's take a gander. Do I have a mirror here? Usually I have like a little mirror. Yeah. Well, this little mirror that fell out of the ColourPop highlighter. So let's see. Oh, I like the way the spoolie is. It fits right on your bottom lip good. And then this part right here, you can use it to line your lips. Because I don't use, I think if you have like a good liquid lipstick, you don't need a lip liner. Let's see, I need another coat on because it's a little patchy. Okay. It's a really pretty color. It's a little bright. But if you don't like the color, you can always go back in with a lighter shade and make it like a custom shade. But it's a little sticky. But let's just see how it dries down. Maybe that's why it says matte lip gloss. Maybe it says long wear matte lip gloss. It's like a little sticky. Maybe that's why, I don't know. All right, so last but not least, what is this? This is, oh, from Pure. This is a Pure Sculptor. Okay. Yeah, I don't, do you see that? Oh, I don't like this. I don't like it. Okay, this, has tape on it. I gotta get a box cutter. This is such a dull knife. This would be, let's see, where are you? $30. I don't like this at all. Okay. All right, so that's what, ooh, it's a little dark. Okay, that's what it looks like. And it does come with a mirror, so that's nice. So let's swatch the 2 highlighters. Highlighters are absolutely gorgeous. Oh, that's pretty. It's a little dark, but that's fine. You can kind of blend them in or, oh, I don't like this at all. It feels, now it's just dried out. The stickiness is gone, but look, but it feels so dry on my lips, like desert dry. I gotta take this off. I think this, oh, look, I can't get it off now. Oh my God, that is long wear. Look, I can't get it off. Okay. Oh my God, I just made a big mess. Oh my God. All right, let me start while I'm ahead. Oh my God. Okay, and this is what happens when you don't edit your videos. So let's do the powders. That's dark for me. So one you would have lighter, like if you wanted to contour your nose or what have you. Yeah, that's really dark. So I could probably use the lighter one if I go in a light hand. But I have to say, I think it's great that it's a little dark for people that have medium to darker skin tones, because every month, there's always for like our complexion, and that people that get it every month, a lot of things are too light for them every month. So I'm glad that it's more versatile for medium complexions to darker complexions. I think that's great that they're finally putting different things in it. But I really think they should do like profiles so that if you're lighter skin or darker skin or medium skin, because even with like lipstick shades and stuff, a lot of times nudes are in, and so you're always getting nudes. But when you're medium to darker skin, the nudes don't look that good on you when they're real pale. So, you know, I can't complain, but the highlighters I can definitely use. It's absolutely gorgeous. This lipstick though, oh my God. And I regret swatching this. I'm putting this on my lips because I can't give it away, and I don't think you would want to use it. I don't know, but maybe if you put like a chapstick underneath, like a lip balm, and then put this on, I'll try it like that, but I don't know. Okay, so let's see about this eyeliner. So yeah, it's still a little tacky, but it's okay. I mean, it's not, you know, I think if you rubbed it real hard, but I mean, you're not going to go like this with your eye anyway. So that's pretty good. And you can see this is dry, and it's not going nowhere, but no, I don't like that at all. Anyway, guys, let me know what you got in your Boxycharm. Did you get this? I don't know if there was variations or not. Let me know if you got this, or maybe did you get a different color. Let me know what you thought of everything. I mean, I still love Ipsy. The only thing is the formula I didn't like about this, but I'll try it different ways and see how it is. I really liked everything. I mean, I don't know if this is worth $45. I mean, maybe it is. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below. And until my next video, bye.